students, in my last class I taught you how to divide the algebraic expression. Now exercise 5.4, it is given algebraic identities. So in your book there are given three identities. First identity means a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second one is given a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third one is given a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So why it is called algebraic identities? Because algebraic identities means equality. Here a plus b, any values if you put, these two parts is there. Here a plus b whole square left part, right part is given a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now if you put, suppose here value 2 if you put here, a value if you put 2 and b value if you put 1, then 2 plus 1 whole square, that means what? 2 plus 1 means what? 3 whole square, that means 9. Now this side you see, this side a square means 2 square plus 2 into 1 into 2 into 1 plus 1 square. Then 2 square means 4, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So both sides is coming equal. That's why it is called identities means equality. Now that one you can prove also. Suppose if the question will come like say prove that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus twice b plus b square. So in that case how will solve, you see? Just like multiplication. So here first part left hand side you see, left hand side is given a plus b whole square. So that means you can write a plus b into a plus b. Now if you multiply this one, a into a plus b into a plus b, then a into a means a square, plus into plus, a into b means ab, plus b into a means ab, plus b into b means b square. That means a square plus ab means twice ab plus b square. You see your right hand side is coming out. Similarly, you can solve the second identity also. You can solve the third identity also. Third identity also you can solve. Then you will get your right hand side. Now, only these three, using the three identities, all the question exercise 5.4 you have to solve. Suppose first question it is given. You see, find the product of the following using the identity is given the first identity. First identity, I'll just show you how to use the first identity now. In your question it is given, first question is given 3x plus 9. 1a 3x plus 9. Solution 3x plus 9. Now here a plus b whole square. Here 3x plus 9 whole square means we will consider this is your a and this is your b. So 3x is your a and 9 is your b. And here plus, that's why first identity we will use here. So that means what we will write? 3x square plus 2. In formula means it is 2 into a. A means what? 3x. Then b means what? 9 plus 9 square. That means 3 square means what? 9x square plus 3 to just 6. Then 54. 54x plus 981. This will be your answer. Similarly, the remaining one means all using identity a plus b. First question, so many questions are given. You can solve same like this way. Then question number 2 it is given using the identities number 2. Identity means number 2 means what? Here minus, here minus, a minus b whole square identities. So how will you use here? Suppose for example the question is given 3x minus 9. 3x minus 9 whole square, then here will come minus. Same just like prepare only minus like this way. Identities 2 means for identity 1 means a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula means what? A square plus twice ab plus b square. So already I told you how to use the formula. Means in first question all plus is there, that's why a square plus twice ab plus b square it was there. But now in question number 2 it is given using the identities a minus b whole square equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So the remaining questions are given. Suppose first question is given x minus 5 whole thing square. So x minus 5 whole thing square, how solve? X square minus 2 into x into 5 plus 5 square. That means x square minus 5 to the 10x plus 5 square means 25. This is your answer. This is all about your question number 1 and question number 2. Now question number 3, it is given using the identity number 3. Identity number 3 means what? A plus b into a minus b equal to f square minus b square. How will you use this one? So you see, I'll write the first question. In your exercise 5.4, first question number 1, you have to solve all by using identity 1. Identity 1 means what? A plus b whole thing square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Question number 2, all the question you have to solve using the identity number 2, that means a minus b whole thing square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And question number 3, all the question you have to solve your identity number 3, that means a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Suppose first question it is given question number A, x minus 3 into x plus 3. So this question how to solve? X minus 3 into x plus 3. That means here you see identity number 3 means what? A plus b into a minus b. But here it is given a minus b into a plus b. Here plus and minus, only position changes, no problem. No problem. So you can write here x square minus 3 square, that means x square minus 9. This will be your answer. Then suppose one more question here, xy plus y into xy minus y. In this question you see a plus b into a minus b. So you can write xy whole square minus y square. That means x square y square minus y square. This will be your answer. Like this way the remaining one you can solve. First question you will solve using the identity 1. Second question you will solve using the identity 2. And third question you will solve using the identity 3. Now from question number 4, 5, all the questions, the remaining questions are given. You have to think yourself which identity you are going to use. By looking the question you have to understand. Suppose for example I will solve one question. Here I will show you. Question number 4. First question, using suitable identities, evaluate the following. First question is given 54 whole square. Now 54 whole square. Now 54 whole thing square. 54 whole thing square we can write 50 plus 4 whole square. Or if you want to write, or you can write means 60 minus 6. 60 minus 6 also 54. Your wish now. Which one? But every time try to take the nearer 10 digit number. Nearest 10 digit number. Nearest 10 digit 54. Nearest one. Which one will be nearest? 50. That's why you will consider 50 plus 4. So then after that here 50 plus 4 means what? Here a plus b whole thing square formula. That means we will use here a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Then 50 square means 2500 plus 400 plus 16. Then after that you will get your answer. Then like this way the remaining one you can solve. For question number 4 the remaining one you can solve. Now you see question number 5. Here also it is given using suitable identity simplify each of the following. First question it is given ax square minus by square whole thing square. So since it is given minus, so you will use identity number 2, that means a minus b whole thing square formula, and you can continue like this way. Then you see question number 6. Question number 6 it is given what? Verify the following using the algebraic identities. Here it is given two parts is given. First part it is given 3a plus 7 whole thing square minus 84a equal to 3a minus 7 whole thing square. So first you will solve the left hand side. Left hand side means what? 3a plus 7. You will just break the a plus b whole thing square formula. Then minus 84a, you will do plus minus, you will get one answer. Then right hand side, you will use a minus b whole thing square formula. You will calculate, you will get both sides equal. That means what? After that you will write left hand side equal to right hand side verified. Now I am going to show you question number 7. In question number 7, it is given what? If x minus 1 by x equal to 10, find the value of the following: x square plus 1 by x square. So here x minus 1 by x equal to 10. We are going to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So our first identity was, you see here, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. From here, if you modify the identity, then if you write like this way: a plus b whole square equal to minus twice ab equal to a square plus b square. You can write like this way. Only means this term plus twice ab from right side you are bringing in left side. That means what? A plus a square plus b square equal to what you can write? We can write a plus b whole square minus twice ab. Similarly here also a square plus b square. So a square plus b square means what we write? X square plus 1 by x square. So right means what? A plus b whole square means x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2ab. This cancel. Now this value is what? 10. Here minus is given. So since here minus is given, so we will use this one. Here minus value is given. That means we will use the identity 2 and identity 2. That means here minus, then minus will become plus. So you see identity 2. Now here value is given minus. So you will use the identity 2, not identity 1. So identity 2, that means a minus b whole square plus twice ab equal to a square plus b square. So here we will write minus, here we will write plus. Now x minus 1 by x value is what? 10. 10 square plus 2. 10 square means what? 100 plus 2 equal to 102. Now next part it is given x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Now second part you see, second part it is given x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Then you see, we will break this one: x square plus 1 by x square. Then a square plus b square. From first identity, first I just first here to this one we got from second identity. And from first identity we will find like this way. Then what we'll get? We'll get a plus b whole square minus twice ab equal to a square plus b square. Now since here plus value is given, you see x square plus 1 by x square value is 102. So we'll use here identity 1 by x square whole square minus 2x square 1 by x square. This cancel. This value is 102 square minus 2. Then you calculate, you will get your answer. Like this way, you can solve the next number also. Then you see, I don't think there will be any problem. Because in this question, if there is lots of processes are there. Suppose one more process I will show you. Here, for example, if x plus 1 by x equal to 4, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Suppose if you are going to solve this one, then how to solve? Here you will write given another method: x plus 1 by x equal to 4. Then you will write squaring both sides. We get, what do we get? Squaring both sides means this side also square. 1 by x whole square equal to 4 square. Now we will use here identity number 1. That means what? x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x plus 1 by x whole square equal to 16. This cancel. X square plus 2 plus 1 by x square equal to 16. That means what? X square plus 1 by x square equal to 16 minus 2. That means x square plus 1 by x square equal to 14. Like this also we can solve, no problem. So, if you want to solve by first one method, no problem. If you want to solve by this method also, no problem. Now you see question number 9. Question number 9 is given. Find the value of the expression here 9x to the power 4 plus 4y to the power 4 plus 12x square y square where x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. No problem. Means what? You write the question, put the values of x and y and calculate. Simple calculation here. Only plus minus you see and you calculate, you get your answer. Then question number 9 and 10 same method. Now question number 11. 11 is find the continued product. Continued product means what? Using identity number 3. Continued product means identity number 3. So identity number 3 means which one? Identity number 3 means a plus b into a minus b equal to x square minus b square. This one. So I'll show you how to use this one in question number 11. In question number 11, first question you see, it is given 11a 4x plus 5y 4x plus 5y into 4x minus 5y into 16x squared plus 25y squared. 25y squared. So we are going to use here, we are find the continued product. Continued product means by using identity number 3 we have to do. So how to solve this one? We'll solve, first we'll write the question 4x plus 5y into 4x minus 5y then into 16x square plus 25y square. Then first you see this one. A, if you consider this is your A and this is your B, that means A plus B into A minus B. So A plus B into A minus B means what? A square minus B square. Means what we'll write? First we'll write this one 4x plus 5y inside the second bracket 4x minus 5y into 16x square plus 25y square. Then we'll write this one 4x square minus 5y square then 16x square plus 25y square. Then we will get what? If we multiply, you will get here 16x square minus 25y square. Here you will get 16x square plus 25y square. Now again you see here 16x square minus 25y square. Here 16x square plus 25y square. That means a minus b into a plus b. Means again you can use that formula. So we'll write 16x square whole square minus 25y square whole square. That means 16 is 256. X square means x to the power 4 minus 625 y to the power 4. This will be your answer. Like this way, you can solve the remaining one using the continued product, means using identity number 3. That's all about your question. Exercise 5.4. All the questions you solve nicely. When the school will reopen, I'll check your copy.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for yourselves, do it for your family, do it for India. Let's break the chain of COVID-19. Hum honge kamyab. Jai Hind.